Hi, this is Accutek Car Audio Visual in Winchester. Here's a video of an Mercedes SL500. We've installed a DMX8021 into this car, as well as a rear camera. They are quite a difficult car to do, however we've done plenty of them. As you can see here, this unit has got Apple CarPlay, it's got Android Auto as well, wirelessly and wired. In fact, we've got the USB in the center console for the customer. If I press the home button, so we've got digital radio, FM. It's got camera inputs as well, audio streaming, etc. We have actually got a direct camera. We put a camera on this Mercedes, which is a quite nice feature. There we are, so you can see behind. Also, that does go into reverse. So if I pop the ignition on, put it into reverse, here we are. So you've got a reverse camera for this car, because you can't actually see a great deal out the back unless the roof's down. The steering wheel controls still continue to work. So as you can see here, the volume going up and down. Forward and backtrack answer. Anyway, if you'd like to have this done in your Mercedes SL, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.